Hi, and welcome to this course on essential oils and pregnancy skin changes. Changing hormone levels affect the stimulation of the pigmentation hormones that cause brown, blotchy patches to sometimes appear on the face or skin, which is called the mask of pregnancy. It's really important during pregnancy to reduce the amount of darkening by always applying sunscreen during pregnancy, and pigmentation may also increase on other areas of the body. Freckles may darken. It's just a whole thing, as you may know. Essential oils are a frequent support for women who are unfortunately experiencing what's known as PUP. And this is something where, as pregnancy progresses, a lot of women we don't totally actually know what causes this, but the abdominal skin becomes very itchy and just very inflamed. And so, soothing and healing essential oils for topical relief are really effective. I hope that you will check out our soothing anti-itch paste that has bentonite clay in it, and then our Itchy Prego belly bath balm. Let me pull this up. So, this is something that is just so soothing and wonderful. It has sandalwood in it and frankincense. Moisturizing with anything is just really important. We also have wonderful recipes for a really light whipped belly butter that is fantastic. And in general, I know that skin pigmentation is something that a lot of moms are looking to address. Also, stretch marks, of course. These can appear on your stomach, breast, thighs, or hips because of rapid weight um, changes, and also just the skin is sensitive. So oils that produce skin elasticity, cellular rejuvenation, and healing, oils that are soothing are just really wonderful. So in all of these recipes, we've just chosen the most effective essential oils that we think are going to really bless your pregnancy. And then in particular, there's just nothing that can replace oats. Oatmeal, you should be eating it, drinking it, bathing in it. The amount of therapeutic potential that oats have is just incredible. So you want to make sure that you're grinding the oats until they're really fine and using them that way. We also have tons of recipes for pregnancy acne because honestly, is there anything worse than not fitting into most of your clothes, having to do all of these shenanigans to I feel like whenever I'm pregnant, like things that are not clothes, I'm like, can I use this strapless bra to cover this part of my body? I'm like trying to use multiple different things to cover things to, it's just a mess. So, you're trying to finagle your whole wardrobe and you're gaining all this weight, and then you're having all these skin changes and hair changes, and it's like, could I not just have clear skin? No. So many women break out in really bad pregnancy acne, and so we've selected incredible um, oils for carrier oils, such as hemp seed oil and grapeseed oil, that are going to help you with the hormonal changes that can intensify acne. You're going to want to make sure that you really add essential oils to almost every part of your skincare routine, along with witch hazel, which is really going to help all of the needs of pregnancy, acne. So we already covered a lot of this material. Our Radiant Belly Massage Oil is amazing. Sexy Mama's Belly Butter is so whipped smooth and awesome. Um, some of the best essential oils for pregnancy acne include melaleuca, cedarwood, cypress is amazing. Geranium I bought and just I didn't love the smell of it, but you can check out geranium. It's has amazing properties for skin. Roman chamomile. Keep in mind that lavender and Roman chamomile can cause allergic reactions. And then I want to just highlight a couple different carrier oils because it's wonderful not only to consider the therapeutic effects of the essential oil constituent, but also to select your carrier oil for the best properties because carrier oils have a wide spectrum of benefits as well. Avocado oil is really sweet. It's a warm oil. It's excellent for the liver. It's something that's very high in vitamin E, and moms love it as a skin moisturizer. Sesame oil is excellent for dry skin. You know, when your skin has gotten past the point of normal help. Like we just moved to Denver and I'm like, what can I even put on my skin? My lips are just so inflamed and it just feels like nothing is working. Sesame oil is really great for skin that's kind of past past being a serious situation. It's nourishing, it's protective, it blocks up to 45% of the sun's UV rays. So this is an oil that I really recommend in pregnancy just to put on as a moisturizing oil because of the UV blocking effects. It's also really high in minerals that are going to be restorative to your skin. So it is wonderful. Sunflower oil is sweet, it's a cooler oil, it's nourishing, it's good for rashes and infections. So sunflower is really good if you are already dealing with an active acne situation. But please check out all of our essential oil recipes in the download accompanying this lesson, and I'll see you in the next course.